What everyone, today I'm with dogs. Don't sit there, dog. Don't sit there, Lola. No. Oh God. Guys, sorry for the camera. Sorry for the camera thing. Dogs are going everywhere, crazy. This one, oh Jesus. Yeah, we have a lot of dogs. We have like about 3 of them. Oh Jesus, get away! Oh, get away! And then we have this dog. It's like crazy. I'm going away now. Just Megan just watch them do their thing. And did you see they are in the natural habitat? Well, you might get your butt out of the camera shot. Oh Jesus! Get away. Get away, Bosco, as I get away. Oh Jesus, no, get away. Did I say I want you to lick me? No. Get away, come on, get away, no. Oh God, no, yeah. No, Jesus. Jesus, stay away. Oh Jesus, stay away. Oh Jesus. Sorry. Ready? We got the dog now. Okay. What's that doing? I'm just working out. Okay, turn the door. Okay, guys. Now you see what dogs are like. Bye, guys.